This is Ed from Tech Talk. If you're looking to play music from your Chevy Silverado, this video is for you. Or if you're looking to play music from any vehicle, this video is for you. I created a USB the other day, and I believe it will play in any vehicle. And there's many different ways to create a USB device, but sometimes simple is the best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play it in a 2023 Silverado. And if this helps you at all, just consider just giving it at least a thumbs up. But there will be a link in the description below to the video on how to create this USB that I'm going to use in this video. So let me show you that it works. So here's a little video that I made earlier of me stalking my son after he got out of work. And really, all you have to do is get in, turn the vehicle on, and once the screen comes on, his automatically connects to his phone. So I had him disconnect his phone at some point, but if you look below the radio, there's a little USB port way down there, and you can see where I'm putting the same USB that I use in the Cruise. If you watch the video that I'm going to provide, um, you'll see that I use the same USB. And now his is defaulting to his default settings, but I had him turn off his vehicle and now it says no devices, which is fine. So now we're going to just click the music note and then hit the more button on the bottom. Here's the touch screen. And mine's named, my USB is travel drive. I selected that. And now it's just automatically playing. It's that easy. So, um, if you have any trouble at all, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. But if this helps you, please consider liking and subscribing. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.